Oh, happy Monday out there. I'm meteorologist Joe Hansel with a look at your national severe weather threats. And thanks a lot for tuning in. We are watching for rain, severe weather, heavy snow, and some of that could affect people heading out to the polls in some areas for Election Day coming up tomorrow. Now, looking in the middle of November, yeah, throw another log on the fire. It looks cold for most of the nation. Basically, areas of Florida, California, they're the only spots in the lower 48 expecting warmer than average temperatures during this time. Cities like St. Louis, Chicago, Minneapolis, yeah, it is going to be very chilly, it looks like, through the first half of this month. Follow the green. That's where some rain showers are possible over the next few days. And in terms of snow, areas in North Dakota, Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, the UP could see a couple or a few inches there. But out in the Intermountain West, once you get into those purple shades, that's anywhere from a half a foot to basically a foot and a half of snow in areas of the Rockies of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. So we're adding quite a bit of snowpack. For now, a few winter issues are posted. Winter weather advisories for the Rockies west of Denver and Montana, portions of Idaho, and winter storm warnings continue there. In the snowy Sierra Madre ranges, some dense fog advisories this morning. Areas near the Gulf of Mexico. But here's a real potential issue here as well. We're talking a risk of severe weather in the deep south. Marginal to up to enhanced risk ahead of a cold front. Watching for large hail damaging winds. Can't rule out a few isolated tornadoes as well. And then Tuesday, as that front progresses eastward from Atlanta to about New York City. Marginal to slight risk is posted out for tomorrow. Now up north, the Arctic Express is open. We'll get some very cold air jumping south of the Canadian border, and that's going to stick around for much of this week. So cities like Minneapolis, we're talking highs in the 30s and maybe in the 20s later this week. So, of course, a couple of weather makers, one out east, one in the central portions of the U.S., and one in the Intermountain West will continue.